What documents are needed when getting a pre-approval? One of the first steps in buying a home is getting pre-approved for our mortgage, but what documents do you need to get pre-approved? In this video, I'm gonna walk you through everything you need to do so you can start that pre-approval process with confidence. Sean Ryan here with Blue Coast Realty, and when you start the pre-approval process, one of the biggest components is documentation that the bank is gonna need to verify to give you a full pre-approval. And if you're getting one and they don't ask you for these documents, I'd recommend asking to make sure that they are doing a pre-approval and not just pre-qualifying. And now you're probably wondering what the difference is. Well, here's a quick overview of the difference. A pre-approval is when they do a credit check and they collect all the documents and they verify everything. A pre-qualification is when they just take your quoted income and give you a rough idea of what you can afford without taking into consideration debts and credit history. So first, let's start with all the documents that you're gonna require. And the first thing is the down payment, and they're gonna ask you where the money's coming from. So the first is maybe a savings or an investment statement for the last 90 days. Maybe you're having your down payment gifted to you. They're going on a letter stating that it's a gift, or the withdrawal from an RSP from a home buyer's plan. They're gonna want documentation and really know where that money's coming from. The next step of documents will be around employment history and your current income verification. They're gonna want a copy of the latest pay stub, T4s. They're gonna want a letter of employment that makes sure you're still working there, your T1 generals, your NOA, your notice of assessment, and any other income. They're also gonna wanna know any legal agreements, let's say for spousal or child support payments, and any other compensation. Let's say you're on disability, a pension, rental income, the list goes on. But once you find that home and put an offer in, they will also require these documents to really finalize that mortgage approval. And that's gonna be the agreement of purchase and sale, and they're gonna want a copy of the realtor listing as well. If buying a home is maybe in your future plans, getting started on this document and collecting all this is never too early. It's only gonna make you more prepared. So even if you don't have any documents started yet, get started with talking to someone as well. So I hope this helped break down the process for you a bit more. If you ever want to talk more about it and go in more detail, I'd love to help. And remember, put Sean on your line.